I didn't even know coming out of school that they were here. At the time, what I knew and what I loved was drawing houses and building. There's many possibilities. And I think if you have that design background and degree, don't sell yourself short. Always kind of think outside of the box because you never know where it'll lead you. Hi, I'm Brantlee Nickles. I'm a senior product development engineer here at Velux.
Hey Brantlee, great to meet you. First question I want to start off with is, how did you get into this industry?
Well, it was a different journey than most. I actually went to school for architectural design at Clemson. I actually worked in that segment for about 9 years, and it just so happened that I came across the product development job here in Greenwood. I've been here for 12 years. Velux is a global company. We have distribution centers all over the United States, so that helps us get our product to customers as quick as we can.
What would you say is your general, day-to-day?
I do a lot of project management, but I also have to help with some of the developers on some of the technical side of things as we're working on our concepts and trying to move them further into development. From the very, very beginning, like drawing on a piece of paper, to you're taking a product that already exists here and they're manufacturing and you're trying to adapt some new technology or something to it. It differs from day to day, and that's one thing that I really enjoy about what I do. Okay, so this is actually a software called SolidWorks that we use to help develop our concepts.
Okay.
You see, it helps to create a 3D concept of our designs.
And I did hear you graduated from Clemson. Are you from the state here?
I actually am. I'm from Greenwood, where we're located right now, born and raised. I was always into the arts. I was gonna be in that art class no matter what it took. Even to the point of in high school, I'd switch classes around just to make sure I stayed in an art class, drawing houses, so I thought, well, I'm gonna go to school for that. How can I choose a profession that's actually gonna give me a degree where I say, I am a architect or I am a product designer. And at the time, what I knew and what I loved was drawing houses and building. So I went in that direction. An important part of Velux, as we say, is we're bringing light to life, bringing the outside in. It starts from the beginning of a product design. You have to think about, what does that consumer want? What is important to them? And then you think, well, how can I work that into a concept? This is actually our venting skylight, the VCS. This one in particular, when I worked on it, it was integrating the solar power into the skylight.
Oh, cool. So you were behind this whole process of designing that bracket.
That's right. We had to integrate the solar power into the existing design for this window. When I worked in the architecture industry, sometimes you may work on plans and you never saw them come to fruition. Here we're actually working on a product that you then see put in somebody's home.
Have you ever walked into someone's or a building or anything and seen the actual skylights from Velux and just looked up and be like, hey, we make those?
Oh yeah, absolutely. It even goes all the way down to seeing some of our skylights featured on the HGTV shows and stuff. So that's pretty neat. This is actually a showcase of some of our existing product that's on the market. This one's pretty close to me because it was one of the first products that I actually worked on at Velux. It's our solar powered venting skylight.
That's really cool.
It actually has a sister product down here that is our same product, but it's our deck mount. I would say some of the classes to focus on, it's good to have the business side and the business perspective, but for me, the foundation started with the art classes and then just kind of built from there. The majority of what I do is teamwork. We're working with market, we're working with manufacturing in the middle.
Hey Nick, I'm Lynn Smith. I'm one of the senior manufacturing engineers here at Velux.
Great to meet you, sir. Where exactly does your part play into this?
Yep, so the departments that I work in, we make the glass. In another department that I work in, we make the flashing. On the, right here, it connects the skylight to the actual window, to the ceiling itself.
In product development, we'll come up with the concept, and then at some point it actually has to develop into production. So that's where Lynn and I will actually work together. Lynn helps design the equipment to help produce these products.
Yeah. What would be your advice to, students or younger audience who maybe didn't go to four-year colleges,
Mhm.
maybe just went to trade school or technical school.
Like, don't let that stop you from growing. Don't make you think that that's your less. Velux actually, for their current employees, that either have degrees or don't have college degrees, they actually provide support financially. Lynn Smith, that you were even talking to before, he actually took that opportunity just to help you grow. It all depends on how far you want to take it.
Any like recommendation or tips you would give to any other people that are maybe in the same boat as you?
Don't sell yourself short. Don't think that, oh, I got this degree in this, so I have to stay here. Learn, grow, figure out what you like the most. There's no limitation to it, because going into college, I thought I had it all figured out. I was going to come out and work in the architecture industry, and all that changed. It's ended up being the best thing. So don't sell yourself short. Yeah, here, I'll stop it real quick, but then I'll show you, because I'll just give it a little tap just to simulate what the rain would sound like.
Yeah.
And it actually will close it.
Oh, wow.
And it actually closes a little faster than it
Yeah,
opens
then
because of that.
Of course, that's really cool, yeah.